All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be looking at Gala/USDT. Okay, this is the Gala coin. Giving you guys an update on it. Okay, so this may seem a little complicated, all these drawings, but essentially what I want you to realize is okay, we have the Fibonacci's drawn up here. We have our swing lows and our swing highs. All right, and what's known as the golden pocket is this little range. Okay, this little golden pocket right here is known as a golden ratio for a bounce. Okay, so the way that the fib retracements work is you have your swing low and your swing high, and you want to find out where it's going to bounce at, right? So it can bounce here, 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 or here, right? And a lot of times, if you can grab it in the golden pocket, that's a good long-term investment. All right. So I want you to keep an eye on this little circle. And if you notice, we have a golden pocket bounce right here. Okay. So it came up, and it recovered. And then as you guys can see, it bounced off the golden pocket right there. All right. So that was so what I'll give you guys is basically like my long-term buy zone is this oval right here. Okay. So it's anywhere between like 0.56, right? All the way down to 0.09. Now, do I think it's going to go all the way down to 0.09? No, I don't. Okay. But that is basically my buy zone. All right. And the reason that it goes down that low is because we have a daily bottom. Okay. A daily chart bottom in between 0.04 and like 0.05. Okay. And then we have a monthly supply zone or I'm sorry, demand zone. That's a demand zone, not a supply zone. I'll change that. Where basically that could be another bottom potentially. Okay. So I'm giving you guys the bullish and the bearish side. All right. So, we have this, a monthly demand zone or bottom down here in between like 0.9 to 0.1. All right. Or I'm sorry, 0.09 to 0.1. All right. But I don't think we're going to fall that low. We bounced off of the golden pocket. Okay. As I showed you guys right here, we have our golden pocket bounce. And currently we're looking at the 4-hour chart, which, I explained in one of my previous videos, my strategy for making bullish price targets, using the 4-hour chart in the Fibonacci's. Okay. So what I do, and I'll basically just delete this and draw it for you guys again real quick, is I will go to the 4-hour chart and I'll find the swing high, swing low of a large body candlestick, basically. Whoops. Okay. So this one right here, for instance, right? So we have this huge candlestick on the 4-hour, a red one, right? That bounced at our major support level, 0.371. which that's what these yellow lines are, major support and resistance levels. So we bounce there. So what I do is I'll go and that is going to be our new swing low and our new swing high. But what I do is I start from the top. Okay. So I start at the high and then I go down to the low. All right. What I want you guys to realize, okay, is that this is a good strategy. What I like trading with is when you trade above the break on the Fibonacci, so this little gray line, all right, and then you take profit at the 1.618. And if you notice, that trade worked out very well. Okay. So we pitter-pattered, traded sideways, and then recently we broke past it. Okay, we had a clean break. Let me zoom back in for you guys, go full screen. All right. So we had a clean break above the 1 on our fibs right here. Okay. It was resistance, and it found support, broke through that, and it came up right around to the 1.618. And now it's dropping. So, if you would have played that, you could have gone in around 53 and then sold at highs of 62, close to 63. So that would have been a nice little trade. Okay. That would have been a nice little swing trade or intraday trade if you guys were monitoring the chart. All right. So that's basically just my update for Gala. Okay. So I gave you guys some long-term buy zones. Okay. Anything below 57 cents, I really like for long-term positions. All right. Our golden pocket is going to be between 34 and 36. So if you can snag it in between there, then that is also going to be a good long-term position. All right. And we may see this one recover and head back bullish. And if we do, then most likely we'll see these price targets hit along the way of making some new all-time highs. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if there's any other coins you guys want me to check out or give you guys an update on. I'd be happy to make a video on it for you.